Please come down. Yeah, we will walk this way. How many times we will have to come here?
Stop, diam ah. Hello. Stop. Just go. Kumang yung adik hong menta, nakalian yung government, nakalian yung education minister, kina invite yang info atrok. Kami nihapan burong ya kae ka nakalian yung info. Apa ini? Kadai namar pak government kam khot yakren. Okay, why we are here today? Because the government forced us to be here. Since the last few months, we have continued our protest. So there is no invitation from the government for a talk. So I have informed just now, few minutes back, we have received a message from the magistrate that the education minister invite us for a talk. So we as a leader, we have decided to go and meet him and let us see what he have to say from his end. Okay. Biang bangin lay kendo ngin snap ka ba ka sorkar ka don banong ha ka bay day bat ka ni ka benta. Biang em. Biang to. Biang. Snap. To nakaliang jongi ka message ka bangin ra show education minister. We want the release of all the 5 months salary. If kay ka bangin ra show education minister kalong bangin ya keren baun pelait ya ka salary jongi baro sandrai piang em kata tingin sa sngap kay ka ba nakaliang jong ka government kadon banong ka ba day pat kanika benta hadin bangila wan bani kendo yo education minister ngin wan biang but ngin penseo happy kay ka ba mi